Hi everyone, this is Mandeep standing before you. I'm an English teacher at Government Senior Secondary School Chamyari, and in this video I'm gonna show you an amazing model. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So here is my model on prepositions. It's a working model. It has three components, 1, 2 and third I will show you later on. Now let's see how it works. So I have a magnet in my one hand and rat in the other. I'll put this rat here and I'll ask the students, where is the rat? And students will respond me, rat is on the table. I'll move this rat and ask again, where is the rat? They'll say, rat is between the table and the chair. I'll move again, where is the rat? Rat is behind the books. Now where is the rat? Rat is passing through the tunnel. Okay, where is the rat? Rat is under the tree. Where is the rat? Rat is in the box. So in this way, I'll just keep moving this rat and keep asking the students, where is the rat? And I feel like students will take interest and they like this activity. So here is a supporting part of the first activity, and here we will play a game named Catch the Fish. In first activity, students understand the prepositions. So that was understanding based activity. In this part, students will learn the application of those prepositions. So this is application based activity. Now see how it works. So I have a fishing rod in my hand and there are some fishes in this fish pond, and I'll invite the students on the podium and students will try to catch the fish by themselves. Let's see how it works. So I'll catch the fish. So see, I have already caught the fish, and on each fish there is a preposition written on it, and you can see, and if the student fixes the correct preposition on this exercise, this candy will be given as a reward to the student. So it's in on this fish, so in is here, cat is in the box. So it fixes here, candy will be given to the student as a reward. Let's do it once again. So if I catch it again, so I got again the second fish. So again on second fish there is a preposition written on it, that is between, and it's between, apple is between the boxes, so it fixes here. Let's try once more. So it's throw preposition on it, right? So throw is, ball is passing through the, right? So this was all about the working of my model. I hope you liked it, and I'm sure like students will understand the preposition in a very short time with this playway method. And at last I would like to say thank you so much for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to represent myself, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again.